So today it's currently 7 a.m. and we thought let's go on a nice healthy drive. So brought some of the cars out. We're heading to Rap Sanctuary. So get ready for a Tomi vlog. I haven't done this in ages. Not a car review vlog. I'm in the Revuelto today. Can you get the sparkly painting? Because cameras can't do it justice, especially when it's not sunny enough. But you can see the little specks in the wrap. I said paint, but it's a wrap because they don't make that paint. It's a PPF and a wrap actually. I've got some of the Hunter guys out here today. We've got some other people who have joined us in other cars. So it should be nice, safe and healthy drive. People are using the bathroom right now. And then we are gonna make our way, I guess. So we're at Fleet Services now. We've got some more cars with us. So we've got SV, 812, GT3, MC20. So these three cars have a Gintani exhaust on it. And this is just my favorite looking car of the modern era. As I stopped at Roundham Services, we're almost at Rap Sanctuary. We're waiting for Dan to get fuel in his car. Let me talk you through some of the cars here. Obviously, the Revuelto's here. We've got this wonderful 296, Dan's GTS Targa, Audi, Mercedes C63. Sorry, I'm bugging so many cars. Brad's GT3 RS. We have more cars down there. Ollie, Satin Black Collection, has bought all his cars. So we've got like an MC20. We've got a Ventador SV. All with Gintani exhaust, by the way, and an 812 and a GT3. It's just, it's crazy. It's just, we've got Gumball here as well. If you're wondering why this vlog is so haphazard, I don't know what to say. Just so many cars. But I think, Dan, you fueled up?
Yeah,
You're good to go. This guy landed in from Abu Dhabi today. No phones. Let's go.
It should be a good meet, but in the meantime, I just want to talk to you about some plans that I have. I was thinking about selling this wonderful Revuelto and then getting an Ultimate, but then my friend Farhan, who initially put the Ultimate idea in my head, said, look, at the end of the day, you'll get an Ultimate because it might make more financial sense. He said, however, with the Revuelto, you have 5 years free servicing, you have warranty, and with an Ultimate, like on my SVJ, the servicing and the warranty comes to about £15,000 a year. So any money I would make in profit, I would lose in upkeep. So it actually makes sense to just keep the Revuelto and eat the depreciation. I love the car, so I'm not sad about that, but I just thought that was a nice way of looking at it, because if you just look at, oh, the car and it's gonna make money, it's gonna be completely different when you actually get down to crunching the numbers. So Revuelto's here to say, for now, unless something else happens.
Just arrived at the Rap Sanctuary. I've got my car amongst other Lamborghinis. Quick walk around because I'm so proud of this wrap. These are the guys that actually did the wrap on the car. So as you can see, it goes from a purple to a blue. There's also a gold in there if you look from this angle, but a lot of metal flakes in it. Parked next to Storato and another Lamborghini Revuelto. You know what, in fact, let's actually look at some of the cars that are here right now. Old school Aventador, looking absolutely delicious. I love this color. We have a Huracan Performante Spider with the wonderful comfort seats. Fun fact, if you're gonna ever get a Huracan Performante, just don't get the sport, not sport seats, what are they called? Bucket seats? Race seats. Don't get the race seats, you'll hate the car. Targa GTS, Dan's car, random. And then we have the GT3 RS of my friend Brad, who's disappeared. I'm not sure where he is. So Arash has a Huracan Storato. I convinced him, well, I guess the car convinced you, didn't it?
Yeah.
But I convinced him it's the best car in the world. He's done it, and he's done a wrap on it, and I guess the unveiling's now, so yeah. I'm guessing. Oh, me?
Ready?
Wait. Go, ready, go. Fuck me, that is fire. That is fire. Oh my days! Wow! Listen, I don't want to take, just look at his car, just look at his car. Wow. That is some rally car vibes, boy. The white wheels, Arash on the move, this is gonna look mad. The white wheels look crazy. What? Hunter Auto Society. That's my car club, you know, that's how we do. So the Rap Sanctuary and Planet Tinting are based in Poole. There's the unit behind us. This is the Rap Sanctuary guy.
Ah, Auto Sanctuary.
Auto Sanctuary.
Auto Sanctuary.
Sorry, they've rebranded because they're too cool for rap now. They do all the rapping that I get done on the cars and all the extra bits like body kit work. And then we have Planet Tinting over here. They do all the tints. Wow! In one unit, they can change the way your car looks. So let's go. I want to shout my paintwork guy. This is probably the worst part. Smash paintwork. Here's a screenshot of some of his work. This is a guy I go to when I need any respray work done. And he's leaving now, so I'm interrupting, and we're also near speakers.
Thank you, Tommy.
No worries.
Are these guys with you, this Ferrari?
Nah. Oh, this is Gumball. Here with the Gumball representative. I've done Gumball before. It was fun. It was wicked. I'm going to try and do it this year. Can you let any hints about what's going on this year? Anything exciting?
Oh man, where do I start? Obviously starting in Istanbul,
Yep.
Bucharest, Belgrade, through Italy,
Oh my goodness.
down to
I have to do this. I have to do this.
Come on. And
Oh
we're
my
finishing
goodness.
at Ibiza.
Ibiza.
Well,
Listen, Tommy, Gumball 2025. I'm there. Let's do it. Is it a deal, right? A deal from Gumball. If you're interested in Gumball, just at Gumball 3000, check them out. If you want to do a tour, it's the best tours. Unless I do a tour. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Incredible. I'll take off my Okay, so I'm in electric mode now. That's why it's finally quiet and I can think. So yeah, it was a good day today. So this was a different kind of video. It probably ended up being really short because it was very haphazard. It was a very chaotic day. A lot more chaotic than it probably looked. I am testing a car next week. Oh, the microphone just fell off the camera. You got it?
Yeah, we're going.
I'm testing a car next week, which will be really cool. I've got it for a few days, so I'm excited to see how that is. But you guys will see it soon. But yeah, anything you guys want to know, let me know. The Revuelto has been absolutely bliss today. It's been enjoyable, relaxing. We're just on our way to a service station to drop someone off because their car's parked at this service station. Which in hindsight, we probably should have just taken the car with us. But you know, life, eh?